months after its inauguration, a section of the Delhi-Dehradun Expressway caved in, prompting action from the National Highways Authority of India. The NHAI on July 3rd suspended the team leader of the authority engineer and the project manager of the contractor. It also issued show-cause notices to the project director, authority engineer and contractor over the incident. The cave-in was reported near Kogwan Jalalpur village in Shamli after a video of the damaged road went viral. The NHAI said the collapse was caused by water stagnation after heavy rainfall and delays in commissioning the permanent cross-drainage system. It added that the damaged stretch has now been repaired and reopened for traffic. The authority said an interim parallel drain is being constructed to divert rainwater until the permanent drainage system is completed. It also said the site is under continuous monitoring to ensure safe movement of vehicles. The 213 km 6-lane Delhi-Dehradun Expressway, built at a cost of over 12,000 crore rupees, was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on April 14, 2026. The corridor connects Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, reducing travel time between Delhi and Dehradun from over 6 hours to around 2.5 hours.